Good afternoon, my name is Edoardo Floris, and today I'm going to show you how to create this structure right here, this pavilion, and it's a very simple structure. We just have the floors, columns, and the roof that is remind the shape of a book. It's an outdoor area for people to hang out in, so you can put some benches and people can sit and enjoy the shade in a hot summer day. To do this, we're going to start by the floor. So we just want to create the floor. No, doesn't matter the size. It can be a square or a rectangle. This time I'm gonna go with 18 by 8, exactly how I did it before. We're gonna put yes, and we're gonna add these columns, and I put them in precise point using the model line. So I'm gonna create a model line in the center, and then I'm gonna create from the center. I'm gonna create another one here, and I'm gonna create another line here. From here, I'm just gonna put my column. We need to make sure that it's architectural and not structural. I'm gonna put it on this line at exactly 200, that is the middle. And from this one, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna mirror it down here, and then I'm gonna take these two and I'm gonna mirror them the other way. So we got the same position, much faster than putting each column by one. Now, 3D view, you're gonna have something like this. You can see 4 columns in the floor, exactly like we have here. Now, I'm gonna create the roof. Now, to create the roof, I'm actually going to move this one a little bit down to get a little bit of space. I'm gonna move this one right here. I'm gonna move it right here so that I don't see, when I go in the north elevation, I don't see the structure. It's gonna be confused. It's gonna be in front of the other one, and when I need to put the roof, it's gonna be impossible. So I want to go and create the roof, but I'm not doing a roof by footprint, but I'm doing a roof by extrusion. So I'm gonna click on this one, and it's gonna let me choose a plane, and I'm gonna still click here and then select the north elevation. Level 2, we're gonna create it on top of the column, and the offset is 0. Click OK. So this is what we have right now. Now, I wanna just create some reference points. So I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to put this is the middle. Okay. So from here on my structure to go until here. So my structure is gonna start from here. We're gonna do this one right here, and we're gonna go until whatever point you can pick. For example, you can pick here. Looks very fun. And we're gonna do like this. Is perfect. And then we're gonna create the same one, but this time it's gonna write, for example, to here. We're gonna do it on the opposite, like this. Now we have these 2 lines, and we're gonna select these 2 lines, and we're gonna mirror them exactly like this. Perfect. So we can create exactly the same that we had before, and we can delete these to have this structure. Now, if I press OK, it's gonna create the extrusion. Now I want it to touch the column, so I'm gonna move it just down a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's perfect. Now, the extrusion is gonna touch the column, and yes, this is what we get. Now we need to modify it because I forgot it's a little bit long, so we can put it this. We can put it more here. So let's see. We can actually move it a bit more in this way, and there it is. Same roof. This one is a little bit more accentuated, but doesn't matter. Like, if you want to leave it a bit less, just do it less, a smaller angle. the shape is basically the same. This is how you do this shape, this is how you do this roof. Now for the components, for the colors, I mean, you can just go and edit type, and if you click edit right here, you're gonna see the structure, and you're gonna choose whatever you prefer. The texture, you can even download it from, like, you can even take it from Google internet, and then put the image that is to be a JPG. You will just basically input it, put it inside here, and it's gonna appear in the project. As you can see, oops, right here. This one here, choose stone. This one is just cream color, and this one is actually a really clear type of wood, as you can see if you zoom in. But because I want it to be a lighter structure, I didn't want anything heavy on top, so I just choose wood. And this is how you create this pavilion, this structure. Thank you for watching, and that's it. Thank you.